Hey, this is John with realestategpts.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze a wholesale deal. So just gonna go ahead and push start and get going on this one. You see, after pushing start, it's going to give me the information I need to provide in order to do the analysis for this property. So what I'm going to do for this one is I'm just going to copy and paste the Zillow link to the property so I can grab all the information about it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and enter in the information here about what I want to do with the property, my wholesale exit, and give it some background of how I'm looking at this deal so it can give me the proper analysis. Now I'm going to hit go, and it's going to refer to its internal documents that makes this the custom GPT that it is. And it's going to get working on the analysis to help me determine my max allowable offer for the wholesale exit that I want to make with this property. Okay, so now I have our output ready to go. And I see it's spitting everything out. And you see it actually gives us just a quick rule of thumb calculation using the 70% rule and our wholesale fee that we want to hit. And so you can see we get max allowable offer there. And it's also going to put together an offer number two, where it's going to take into account, make some estimations for our end buyer, right? What are their holding costs going to be? What are their financing costs likely to be? And it's going to incorporate that into it. So you get a little bit more refinement than just 70% rule minus wholesale fee. And we get two offers that are about in the same ballpark, so we kind of know right where we're going to be if we're trying to wholesale this deal. And at the end of this is going to give us this bottom line summary, and it'll also give us some possible next steps that we want to take to tighten up our initial analysis as we get more information about the deal. So that's how you do a quick wholesale max allowable offer analysis with the Deal Analyzer. And you can get this for free at www.realestategpts.com.